So now I want to take a roundness measurement of a diameter here that is right in line with these interrupted surfaces. There are drilled holes into the OD of this at several locations, and there are set screws placed in there. But I want to know how round that surface is, or that diameter is, right in the center line of those holes. But those holes are obviously going to throw off my measurement. So the MicroForm system has an auto interrupt feature that you can enable and set as to how much you want that trim. So as the probe drops down into one of these holes, it goes off scale, so it'll automatically trim that, and you can see that it's off scale because the DRO is red. Then it comes back up onto the surface. As it comes back up onto the surface taking the measurement, it'll bounce a little bit, so we give you the option of trimming by a degree at a time how much that you can trim that back and just see what the surface is between. So I'm going to take a roundness measurement using the motor, and each time it drops into those, the software is going to automatically take that out and give me the roundness of the rest of it. And it'll plot that without those exclusions in there. I've got a polar plot listed here as well as a strip chart, and you can see those dropouts and how it's trimmed the bottom of each of those. Now, you can see how it drops down into the hole, and then it starts to trim off, and as it comes back, so I've got it only set right now to 1 degree before and after. In the configuration screen here, I'm going to change that. I've got some presets. I'm going to change that to 5 before and 5 after, and I'm going to apply that. I don't have to retake the measurement. It automatically has all the information, and it just reapplies those settings. And you can see that now I've got just the shapes of in between those parts without any dramatic drop-offs. And I've got roundness of that surface of 1/10 and 3.3 millionths. And I can print that and save that and be a final result.